Personality has two dimensions. One is called development and second is called grooming. So when we talk about grooming, it's an outside process in which you have to work with your hygiene and your looks. But when we talk about development, it's an inside out process. That means work has to be done within and the result would be visible outside. So in this video, I'm going to talk about something very, very important which will help you a lot. All of us have got three energies, and these three energies, if they are balanced properly in our personality, can bring tremendous changes and can really give you a dynamic personality. These three energies are called Sattvic energy, Tamasic energy and Rajasic energy. In Hindi we can call it Satogun, Rajogun and Tamogun. Let us understand what is Satogun, what is Rajogun and what is Tamogun. What is Rajasic energy, Sattvic energy and Tamasic energy. You might have seen Ramayana. In Ramayana, three characters are very important in Lanka. One is Ravan, second is Kumbhakaran and one more is there, he is Vibhishan. Now when you talk about Ravan, he is very ambitious. He wants to grow in life. He captures one kingdom, another kingdom and he rules people. He accumulates a lot of wealth also. Ravana is basically a symbol of Rajasic energy. So Rajasic energy says you to wake up in the morning. Rajasic energy says you to go and run after your goals. Rajasic energy says you to accumulate wealth. Rajasic energy says you to get success in this outer world. And I believe it is important for you because if you have got goals in your life, if you want to be a big businessman, you want to be a big politician, you want to be a big industrialist, it's very important for you to have a very nice content, a balanced content of Rajasic energy. I must repeat, balanced content, because if it is not balanced, there can be disorders in your personality. Now when we look at another character called Kumbhakaran, so Kumbhakaran is a Tamasic energy basically. You will find Kumbhakaran sleeping for 6 months and waking up only for a day and eating too much. So people who have got a lot of Tamasic energy inside them, they are highly lazy people. They have a lot of inertia and lethargy in them. You will find them eating too much, doing very less, physically inactive, and these people do not do much in their life. They are superstitious. Tamas is basically a sort of gravity, it's a sort of inertia. Like let's say you have a stone in your hand and you throw it in the air. So the energy with which you throw the stone is basically called Rajasic energy. And the energy which is pulling the stone down is called Tamasic energy, which is gravitation. Now Tamasic energy is a necessary evil. It's must for us. Why? Because if we don't have tamas inside us, so we won't stop. हम लोग रुकेंगे नहीं, हम लोग सोएंगे नहीं. तो ये जो ऊर्जा हमको रोकती है कि रेस्ट कर लो, बहुत हो गया, this is called Tamasic energy. But if the content of Tamasic energy is high in us, so we'll be lazy. But if the Tamasic content is properly balanced, so it can play the role of a stepping stone in our success. Now third content is of great importance if you understand it. This is called Sattvic energy. Now let's look at the third character of Ramayana in Sri Lanka. This is your Vibhishan. Vibhishan is basically a Sattvic energy who's all the time remembering God and is believing in following the dharma and not doing anything which is against the laws of nature. Now as long as Sattvic energy is there in Lanka, Lanka is protected. But the moment Sattvic energy leaves Lanka and goes to Lord Rama, the problem in Lanka begins. And ultimately you all understand what happened in the end. Lanka got destroyed. So you must have a balanced or more Sattvic content inside you. What is Sattvic content? Content which keeps you in connection with the God. Content which develops compassion in you. Content which develops peace in you. That energy which says you to be peaceful. That energy which says you to be helpful. That energy which makes you compassionate is basically a Sattvic content. Now you understand that Sattvic is something which is make you pure. Rajasic is something which makes you run in life and achieve your goals. And Tamas is something which makes you lazy if it is more. Now how to develop these three energies and create a balance? Universe, you see, time has got 24 hours. And in these 24 hours, if you divide them into 3 zones of 8 hours each, so you'll find that universe for 8 hours gives you Tamasic energy, for 8 hours it gives you Sattvic energy, and for 8 hours it gives you Rajasic energy. And if you create a synchronization with the universe, you'll be able to develop this content inside you. Now, how to develop Sattvic content? First, by checking what kind of food you are eating. If you eat fresh food, if you eat vegetarian food, you will develop sattvic content. Second, if you wake up early in the morning before the sun rise, you will have lot of sattvic energy inside you. Normally early morning time after 2:30 or 3 o'clock is called Brahm Muhurat. Now Brahm Muhurat, why we call it? Because at this time universe is emitting lot of sattvic energy. So if you wake up early in the morning, do a bit of yoga and then meditate, so you will be able to develop this sattvikta inside you. Now second is Rajasic. Once the sun rises, after that it gives you Rajasic energy. This is a time for you to run. This is a time for you to pursue your goal. This time you should not sleep. This time you should run after your goals and work hard for achieving them. So during afternoon hours, it is normally recommended not to sleep. Now let's come to the third part, Tamasic. If you eat lot of non-vegetarian food, if you eat lot of junk food, and if you drink or if you smoke, you are ultimately inviting more of Tamasic energy inside you. Night, especially after sunset, is giving you more of Tamasic energy. So you'll find that most of the crimes happen at night. You'll find most of the people who go to the bars and drink, they normally go at night. Early morning, 4 o'clock, you won't find a person saying, give me a peg of whiskey. But after night, automatically it happens. Why? Because universe is giving you Tamasic energy. So if you channelize your food, and if you channelize your habits along with the timings of the universe, you wake up early in the morning and during afternoon hours you work hard and at night you take rest. So you will be able to have a proper alignment with the universe, by which you will be able to have a balance of all these energies inside your personality, which will give you a dynamic personality. And always remember, Sattvikta leads you to great success. If you see Vibhishana, ultimately where does he go? He goes to Lord Rama. And Lord Rama defeats Ravana, kills him, and not only kills him, after he kills, Rama doesn't keep the Lanka with him. He hand over it to Vibhishana. So if you are Sattvic, you will be able to achieve whatever you want in your life, but maintaining the ecosystem of the universe. I hope, my dear friends, this content which has been delivered to you, this Tamasic energy, Sattvic energy, and your Rajasic energy has been understood by you. Still, if you have got some queries, you can write comments. We'll answer that in next video. We'll again meet you. Till then, you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.